We are back with big breaking news coming in. A big action taken by government. Sources are telling us forensic audit of Al-Falah has been ordered by the government. Now remember, Al-Falah came in spotlight after the arrest of the doctors linked with the university, professors teaching in this university. And not just that, the cars that were used, one of them I-20 and the others that have been traced, some of them parked in the compound of the Al-Falah University. Al-Falah's official website has also been taken down. Earlier we told you about the show cause notice that was issued to issued by NAAC to Al-Falah University over false accreditation claim that they made on their website. It was pointed out to them that the accreditation status had expired. Nobody volunteered from the university to extend the accreditation, but they had put out false information about the same on their website. So money trail has come under the scanner now. Let's go across to Bhavtosh, who's getting us more details. Bhavtosh, a forensic audit has been ordered of Al-Falah University by the government.
Yes, a very important information we are breaking on Times Now, that a forensic audit of Al-Falah University has been ordered, and this forensic audit will be done by multiple agencies, including DRI as well as by the Enforcement Directorate and also by the Economic Offences Wing. Since Monday, there are several searches and raids that have been carried out by state police, but importantly, it now appears that the finances as well as the financial audit will be carried out. This follows the raids and searches that were carried out by the state police as well as by the NIA. Now the finances as well as the donation of this university will be subject to the investigation. Remember, the entire finances of this university under scanner. It appears that even the donation that has been done of this university is subject matter of investigation. Whether it received the donation was done legally or it was done illegally. The national accreditation has also said that it was illegal, and now it appears that the finances is also something that needs to be further probed. As of now, the Enforcement Directorate has said that they will also carry out a probe, and it also said that it could be possible that there is a money trail that could be completely illegal. Now, if that has been found, then there could be possibility that a money laundering case can be registered, or a case of FEMA that can also be registered by them. If it is a case of money laundering, then the assets of the university can be attached. If it is a case of forex violation, then that can also be registered. Now, if it is a case of forex violation, then a penalty can be filed, and if it is a case of money laundering, then the assets of the university can be attached by the agency.
Absolutely. So the funding to the university, the forensic analysis of that, the forensic audit of the funds have been ordered by the government. And, you know, too many coincidences actually here, Bhavtosh. The link of all the arrested terrorists to the Al-Falah University, the cars parked inside the compound. There are reports that the lab of the university was perhaps being used by these individuals. Room number 13 and 4 in Tower 17, building number 17 of the university was a common meeting ground for the terrorists, where they were hatching plots and conspiracies. And Al-Falah also put out fake information on their website about the accreditation that they had received from the NAAC, which actually, by the way, had expired.
Yes, accreditation itself, it appears was completely fake, but we are looking here that the forensic audit could be carried out, which is much more serious. If the finances of the university is illegal, then the Enforcement Directorate might step in, and they can probe it further. The finances as well as donation can be completely illegal. Then they will look at the possibility that it can come from illegal sources, and the ED then can attach the assets. Provisionally, they can attach the assets. They will go through the entire audit of this university. They will go and check whether the audits, whether the finances of this university were legal or completely illegal. Now, then ED can register a case of money laundering. Already FIRs have been filed in this case. NIA has taken over the investigation, and these are scheduled offences. ED is within its power to register a case of money laundering. If it finds that there is a forex violation, then they can register the case under FEMA. Now, ED has power to do so. As I said earlier, that there could be possibility of registering two different cases. They can register both the cases under FEMA as well as under money laundering.
The channels from the money was coming will also, of course, come under the scanner. Bhavtosh, stay on with us. We have Shriman joining us from outside the Al-Falah University. Too many questions that the management, the administration of the university will now have to answer.
Well, exactly, Swati. Now, again, as I've said earlier, the things are getting tougher by each and every moment for the administration of this particular university. After the NAAC issuing the show cause notice, it is now a major crackdown as the government has issued a forensic audit on the entire university, which means that now every staff, every source of income, every funding, every stakeholder would be the part of the probe in this particular case. From where the money was coming, where it was going, what was the source of that particular money, was there any kind of foreign funding? Because yesterday also from the Al-Falah Trust also we have got some sources told us that there is no issue of foreign funding as of now, but now after the government has issued a forensic audit, it shows that yes, there are certain loopholes, there is something fishy that the government and all the administration and also the investigative authorities wants to really clean the air regarding this entire university. This has become a
whether or not there were violations will come out when the analysis, the forensic audit takes place. Bhavtosh and Shivam, for the moment, thank you for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. There's a lot more lined up for you on this. The coverage continues on the exclusive angles that we are getting for you and the multiple developments around the Delhi blast probe.